Hi y'all, and a chilly good morning, or at least it is here. We had a heavy frost last night, and I'm like, oh wow, okay, so I guess my California peeps are going, well, you shouldn't have left us, but here I am, frost on the ground, and it is pretty chilly. But anyway, today I'm going to do a bottle bottom pour. I'm going to be using a pre-made hold on, I'll show you. Gonna be using this little nifty little cute gadget here made by SplashNColor. That is a pre-made bottle bottom. You know I have trouble with that. But anyway, this is really nifty. It is great. You don't have to go find a bottle and try to cut it off even, which my last one worked, but it wasn't even, and now I don't even know where it is. But anyway, so I'm going to use this, and we're going to see what happens. I may spin it. That's my thought, but we'll just see. That's going to be a maybe. So let's get to pouring. Well, I wanted to do a 12 by 12, but if I have one in here, I can't find it. And if you saw my studio right now, because I'm getting ready for an artesian craft fair this weekend. It's going to be very cold, but we're going to be set up outside, and a lot of social distancing and mask wearing and all that. So it will hopefully be all fine. So I've got canvases everywhere. Anyway, I'm going to use this 11 by 14. I'm going to be using Arteza pouring acrylics. I've got gold, Mars black, metallic, wine red, and some titanium white. These are ready to go, just ready to pour as they come out of the bottle. So I've got some more titanium white here. I'm gonna go around my outside here. And I'm going to put my little SplashNColor bottle bottom right here. And I do believe I'm going to start with black. So let me get these open. I've shaken them all really well. Hopefully. I want to thank you all for the ones that make the encouraging comments about my my little message debacle that I talked about in the Tuesday tips. And you know, the more I got to thinking about it, it made me so angry at the individual that did it. But I got to thinking then, you know, I want to slap his mama. I mean, why on earth? But anyway, enough of that. So let's get started here. But I do appreciate those of you that sent the really kind words. I love gold and black. It looks cool. It's fun. It's fun all by itself just to watch it flow down the little channels. Make sure your table is pretty level. I think, man, I've struggled with that. But I think I finally got it pretty level. I hope. Seems like it's flowing fairly evenly. Have you all put your Christmas tree up? I know that, well, I'm the only one on the street that hasn't. My, both sisters put theirs up. My daughter put hers up. My niece, well, she's not on the street, but she's put hers up. I'm like, okay, I know, I'm a little behind. I did get all my fall stuff down. I guess, does that count for anything? All the gold. Oh, okay. I believe we got all that out as well. Okay, now let me see if I can pick this little jobby up. Ah, perfect. I wanted them to sink in like that. Oh, that's pretty cool. Okay, now let's see what we can do here. Whoops. Okay, I do think it looks really cool, just like it is, but I can't help it. I'm going to spin it. What do you think? Spin? No spin. Need to do it live so you guys could tell me. Did I get them all? Okay. Okay, well, you know what? Let's go for it. Let's spin it. If you all tell me after the fact I should have left it alone, you know, whatever. But hey, it's all about experimenting, right? So let's just see what happens. Y'all ready? I slung paint everywhere. Oh, wowzer. I like that. Like. Oh, man. Okay, I don't know about y'all, but I think this turned out pretty cool. I can say I'm pretty happy. I wish this one had flowed all the way over, but you know what? I'm okay with having that little negative white because we've got the negative, we've got the wine right there. I'm okay with it. I've got bubbles I'm going to pop, but this, I'm really happy. I'm really happy. I mean, turn it some different directions. You can see it that way and that way, and of course the picture will be popped in at the end. I don't want to stretch it. If I start stretching it, I'm going to totally change this gorgeous pattern in here. So anyway, thanks for watching. Don't forget the Arteza link is down in the description. I hope you'll pop over. They're having some terrific sales going on right now. So pop over there and give them a look around. And don't forget to check out any of the other links I have down there. And hey, don't forget to leave us a thumbs up. If you haven't subscribed, I hope you will. I need to climb a little more. I need to climb a little more, guys. So I hope you'll help me out there and share it with your friends and your family. And stay warm unless you're in a warm place, and then we're all jealous. But stay warm, safe, healthy, and happy. And keep pouring. And I'll see you next time.